Welcome to the part 2, because why not? I don't know, maybe I have the phone holder. I'll see if I have it around, and if I have it, I'll put it. Yes. Yes, I do have it. Okay, so this is how it looks, how it should look, how it looks. Um, so don't let me think. Oh God. This should be first, and then you put the brushes. I don't have any other ideas. So, oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's it. Oh God, that's annoying. It would have been helpful if I had a screwdriver with a magnet. But, oh, I have one apparently, but it's not powerful enough. So we'll just try and stick one of the screws. I prefer to put the upper one first. Please stay in there. Please. Oh God, what I. Oh, really? Then you come with the screwdriver, and the phone fallen. Oh God. Okay. Great. What now? I need to tighten that up, but the phone is in the way. So I will just get the phone. I don't know. Let me find a solution. Maybe here. A little bit backwards. And the